Hello people, welcome back to WheelzAround. So what are we doing today, Saifil?
Let me see what we got today for our Wheelz fan.
No. Hey, you're not supposed to text and drive.
Dude, you asked me. What are we doing?
Yeah, but no matter what, you're not supposed to text and drive. Do you realize how many accidents happen because of text and drive?
2,000 probably?
No, more than 13,000 every year in Texas.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. So Saifil, what if I told you can get rewards for driving safely and for not texting?
What?
Would you believe me?
No,
I'm not. Like, you can get free food, you can get buy one get, or you can also get some online exclusive stuff.
What about clothes? What about adventure activities?
Yes, you can get that.
How? I want to know. I want to test this.
Really? You want to test me now?
Yeah, are you bluffing, dude?
Okay, take your car to McDonald's and I'll show you how can we do that.
Alright, then.
Let's go.
You sure I don't have to pay anything?
Yeah, I'm sure you don't have to pay anything.
Okay. Is there any catch that you have to pay $5 or you get $50 and you get this much free?
No, nothing like that. Just get free burger.
You know, now, just because standing here and with the smell, I'm more hungry and I'm craving Chick-fil-A too now. So, can we go Chick-fil-A after this? Yeah, if it's free food, I can eat 3 too. Can we go Chick-fil-A right after that?
That's funny right now.
I have this app. Can I use this for the points?
Can I grab the computer?
Sure. Big guy got the big map. Ooh.
You wanna tell how did you do that?
Yeah. How do you do that? Can you tell me, please?
Okay. There is no catch to get the rewards. All you gotta do is download Safe to Save app. This app encourages drivers to not text while driving by rewarding them with favorite restaurants, apparels, and other online exclusive. Also, to get your first free 1,000 points, use referral code WheelzAround during registration. And there you go, no clickbait. This is how Saifil got his first free meals.
I have this app, Safe to Save.
Yes.
I want to get this one.
So you free sandwich with burger. Okay.
Guys, I just got him so much free food. Like, look at him, he's enjoying. And can I have one bite? See? Anyways, if you like our content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to see much more about food and travel, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our videos. Bye.